Regardless of what type of oven or freestanding cooker you have, you may find that the light doesn't always come on or remain on during use. This could be because of the cooking setting, as some energy-saving programs like moist fan baking or dough proving don't use the oven light throughout, and this is not a fault with the appliance. You should also double-check that no trays or accessories are blocking the light. The best way to test if the light is working correctly is to turn on either the true fan or conventional cooking function, or to press the light function button. If it doesn't come on, the bulb has likely blown and will need replacing. Luckily, this is a simple process, and you can replace the bulb yourself on most ovens. However, due to their design, certain microwave ovens in our range will need to have bulbs replaced by a qualified engineer. Here, we'll show you how to replace the bulb within the top and side oven lamp. However, bear in mind that the lamp positioning or method to replace bulbs may vary between models, so it's always worth checking your user manual. Once the oven is cool, remove the oven door to give you better access. Then turn the oven off at the circuit breaker or fuse box, or at the main isolation switch. Next, lay a cloth on the bottom of the cavity and put on protective gloves. For the top oven bulb, twist the glass cover that protects the bulb to remove it. Then gently remove the bulb from its housing, either by unscrewing it, gently pulling, or by pushing it in and then turning. The method will depend on your bulb. Put the new 300-degree heat-resistant bulb into position. Give the glass cover a clean, and then twist to secure it back into place. To replace the side oven bulb, remove the shelf support if necessary, and then, using a Torx T20 screwdriver or the back of a spoon, remove the glass cover and the bulb. Clean the housing and metal frame before putting the new 300-degree heat-resistant bulb into position. Reinstall the housing with the curved edge alongside the bulb. Then, turn the mains back on and select a light function to check that the new bulb is working. Finally, put the shelf support back into position. If you need to order a replacement bulb, or if you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.